Here and welcome to Forex Bull Hub, and in this video we're gonna analyze the market technically for the next week, that means Monday to Friday. And we have most important news on Friday, that means NFP news. As you know that each and every week's first Friday NFP news come, and as per this is a technical analysis, so let's talk about technical movement or technical analysis. Okay, so as you can see there, market is on buy trend. I just selected D1 time frame and market is buy trend from a long time ago, so we have to think for buy perspective and short sell perspective also. Okay, and as you know that maybe 1.5 month left for the US election, so that's why maybe market is moving unstably, so we have to be aware about our trade. Okay, so whatever you take, buy or sell, you have to manage your risk properly. Number one rules is risk management. Okay, as you can see there, I just selected H1 time frame over here. I'm sorry, H1 time frame over here. So I just draw two support zone and one resistance zone, two support zone and one resistance zone. And as you can see there, this can be our support zone to go or to take buy entry. Okay, and if it break, we can take sell from that area, we can take sell till that area. Okay, for the technical or for the technical purpose. Okay, if we want to draw a trend line around this area, this particular area, as you can see there, there was a sell entry, and this sell entry running almost was closed almost 100 plus pips. That means we was taken a sell entry, maybe in our free channel or VIP channel, we took a sell entry around that area, that particular area, and that's it, our TP. Okay, so you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what we can do for the next week on next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday or Friday. So my suggestion is, if we want to trade, we need to take a smaller time frame, and we can scalp based on support, resistance, or trend line, or engulfing, or other strategies what you follow. Okay, let make it a smaller time frame, like M15 time frame. So if I discuss about M15 time frame, so we may draw some support or resistance zone over here. As you can see there, that can be a resistance zone. Okay, that can be a resistance zone. And if we want to draw more, we can draw another one like that area. Okay, that can be our support zone, latest support zone, and that is our latest support zone, and this is our latest resistance zone. If this two zone fail, we can draw another support or resistance area around that area. Okay, and our final resistance is, our all-time high is around that area. Okay, that area. So we have to think the market in a smaller time frame. We have to use proper money management, we have to use SL TPs, and then we can take entries. Okay, whatever strategy you are following, that is not a problem, or that's not a issue. Okay, you must have to manage your risks first. Number one is risk management. So from my view, or for current view, we can take a sell entry if we get any sell confirmation over here, from here to here or here. Okay, or if we make a breakout and again give us a pullback, then we can take a buy entry with confirmation from that area to that area. Okay, that particular area. And if we get another confirmation to buy, then we can take a buy entry over here from that area to that area. That means for 100 pips. Or if it give us a sell confirmation around that area, we can take sell. If it give us a sell confirmation around that area, we can take another sell. Okay, this is the basic strategy, that means support and resistance strategy. We are following 5 or 6 strategy like ICT, SMC, and blah blah blah. So you may follow one or two, or you may follow any strategy, but number one is risk management. Okay, you have to manage your risk properly first. So market is too much unstable right now, so there is a lot of issue if I want to give you proper analysis. So we have to follow fundamental analysis first for next 1 or 2 months, because election is coming, US election is coming. Okay, so gold is related 80% or 100%, 80 to 100% related with USD. Okay, USD. So we have to keep our focus on United States dollar and United States politics or United States decisions or Federal Reserve Bank decision. So if we follow USD, then we can succeed on gold. Okay, so you have to keep your concern, you have to keep your eyes on US dollar. So we will check fundamentally a lot of things on US or USD, so we can trade properly or we can trade successfully. So I will post a lot of analysis or posting a lot of analysis, lot of fundamental technical analysis on our Telegram channel. So you have to keep update to get updated update from Monday to Friday. So I hope all things clear below. If you want to join our Telegram channel, in the Telegram link in video description, you can join here and you can see a lot of analysis from last few years. So that's for today. Happy trading. Have a nice day. Mr. Boom signing out.